Hey guys, Brett here with NextFly, just making a follow-up video on how to install an SSL cert on a Bitnami stack that we have with the Amazon Web Service. So one of my other videos, I show you all how to install and get going basically a full WordPress installation using AWS, and then Bitnami is kind of the stack. And it works well, but in order to secure that site that you have, this is kind of the steps that you need to take in order to do that. So I'm going to walk you through pretty much every single step. You can also just read in the notes below how to do it, so you don't have to watch this whole video. But if you'd like to watch the video, here's how you can do it, but make sure that you reference back to the notes, because it's going to be a lot easier for you to just copy and paste all of the SSH commands you need to do instead of typing them out as I say them or whatever. So first things first, I'm on a PC right now, so I can't just open up Terminal and do this really quickly, and I hate PuTTY. That client, I just can't get my head wrapped around. I don't know why. And then Bitvise is okay, but when I'm on a PC, I typically like to use Code Anywhere. Code Anywhere is just something I use to edit websites and FTP into different servers and stuff remotely. It's just my kind of a quick go-to. So you can also use it for SSH. First things first here, we're going to go to File, New Connection, and then sftp-ssh. Connection name is going to be strict. Host name is going to be strict.com, or whatever you have in here. And you can use this IP address, your Elastic IP. You can use your public DNS, whatever. Username is bitnami. And then we don't really have a password. We're going to change this to private key. And then that file that you downloaded and saved to your desktop, we're going to need to grab that. So copy all of that. Oh, that just went away. Okay, let's do that again. Strict.com, bitnami, private key, paste. All right, you should be able to just connect now. Yep. So once you have that, you can just right-click on it and go to SSH terminal. And then if you did it right, you should see this. From here, we are going to do our first command, which is going to be to build a server.key file, which is pasting this. Enter. All right, and then we have to actually do the certificate request file next, which is command 2. All right, country name, 2-letter code, US. State, Indiana. Locality, Indianapolis. Organization, we'll just, whatever, strict. Organization unit name, nope. Common name, www, so this is where you're going to put in your actual domain. I would suggest doing the www just to make sure there's no problems if you want to use the non-www version or the www version. So I usually do that. Email address, info@strict.com, which is not actually an email address. No challenge password. No optional company name. Okay. So now we need to get the contents of that file that was just created. So this is command 3. There it is. So we got to grab all of that. I'm actually gonna just get a free trial certificate, just because I don't want to buy one for a throwaway domain. Let's see. So there's GeoTrust. Let's roll with some Komodo. You can get these quick 30, 60, 90-day trials for free, or you can just buy one for the year. They're $50 or something. So
what is a free SS?
Get certificate, paste the contents of that CSR in there, pick your server type. Well, we'll just pick Apache. I do not want to opt into the newsletter. Do not want to scan. Next. Okay, I guess we'll just use my email address to verify, because none of those other things are actually going to work, and I'm not going to do the DNS edits and stuff, so we'll just go with the email. So strict.com. I wonder how much of this I actually need to fill out. Brett@nextfly.com. Put my office number in here. Username strict.com. And then a password. I think that's all that I need to put in there. Let's see. Yep. Okay. All right. Enter verification code. I'm assuming this is going to come to me in an email. Okay, yeah, it did come to me in an email here. So I'm just going to copy this code, put it in there. Next. Cool. So I'm assuming the order or the certificate's actually going to come in my email here. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes here. Just received an email from Komodo with the zip file that contains the certificate. Here it is. I'm going to open that up, pull out the actual certificate file. We don't need the bundle. Close that. Here it is on your desktop. Just going to go ahead and rename that to cert2. Okay, so now you can FileZilla in. We're going to need to actually upload this. So I'm going to go here. We're going to go into the stack. Let's see. So it's going to be Apache 2 conf. And then right in here is where we want to upload this. So we will right click, whoopsies, right click, upload. Wow. No. Right click, upload, drag this in. There it is. cert2.crt. It has been uploaded. Alright, so once we do that, get back into terminal here. We need to go into the bitnami.conf file, but we are going to go back into SSH just so we keep this kind of, fluid, because all the commands in here. Okay. So here we go. We're going to go into this file. And then you scroll all the way down here to the SSL certificate file and opt bitnami apache 2 conf. I already changed this to cert2.crt because I was just doing some testing, but this did say server.crt. So it was that. I just changed it to cert2.crt. Hit exit. Yes, save changes. Overwrite that file. Now we just need to restart Apache. So you use this command, and you shouldn't get any errors. If you do, something's not right. Okay? If it works, https strict.com. And there you go. There's your green lock. Secure connection. So the only thing that you have to do from this point on is you need to force the HTTPS connection. Whether you can do that in your htaccess file, or you can just get a really, like a plugin. I think there's one called Really Simple SSL for WordPress. Yeah. Literally, you just install this from WordPress admin panel and activate it, and your site is on it just forces all SSL connections from that point on. So however you want to do that part. Okay, so that's it. You've just installed a SSL cert. Your site's secure, and should be good to go. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with. If you have any questions, I'll respond as fast as I can whenever I can. Thank you.